Hello guys, welcome back to my next video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the going crazy fun problem after your PC shuts down or even when the PC is on. This happened to me. I shut down my PC and the fun just started going crazy, so I just turned it back on and try to shut it down one more time, because maybe I didn't do it the right way the first time. So here we are again. My PC is now on hibernate mode and the fun is still going crazy. Let's see what are the methods we can use to fix this problem. The first thing I want you guys to try, go on your computer management. So this PC, right click, manage, device manager. And then you check if there are any devices, drivers that are not installed. If everything is installed, it should look like this. Then the next thing to do is go on System Devices, expand that, right click on Intel Management Engine Interface, uninstall drive, delete the software for this device and uninstall. Then automatically this driver is no more installed. So if I refresh this page, here you have it, PCI Simple Communications Controller not installed. Make an update, let your computer check for an update and it can look for this driver. Normally it will be installed from alone in the background, or if you didn't have the driver already installed on Windows Update, it should find this, or there are also some additional updates that your Windows shows you, and you may click on that and download the software. So I tried it a couple of times, it didn't find any new updates, but as I already said, in the background the driver just got installed. Here it is, the Windows happened to find it in its temporary files, so now it's still there. I'm going to show you one more time how this is done, so you can see that Windows updates automatically installed the missing driver. So here it is. Right click, update driver, search automatically, search Windows Update, and now that is searching, it also automatically installed the driver. Now we close those windows. This was the first method, that we made sure that the appropriate drivers for our fun are installed. I hope this worked for you. There's only one way to know, so let's try and shut down the PC. As you see, it didn't work for me. We are now back on track. The second thing I want you to try is go and check those power management settings. So go on Settings, System, Battery, Power and Sleep we need. Click on that. Additional power settings. I'll try to do this fast, and if you need to do it slower, then just pause this video. Now we are on Edit Plan Settings, change Advanced Power Settings, click on that, and here we find the PCI Express settings. Yep, link state power management. Now you see two types here, on battery and plugged in. We put them both on off mode and save those changes, apply, and now it's still only one way to see if this worked or no. Yeah, just be sure again that you save those settings, both turned off, as you can see. Now just go and turn off your computer again. As you see, it still didn't work on my computer. So the third and last step that you guys also have to try is open your laptop, in my case, or your PC, and check the fun if it's clean or not. And mine didn't look so clean. To do that, just on the laptop, you just unscrew the screws on the back side and carefully remove the plastic that is covering the motherboard and on the parts. As you can see, I removed the two screws that were holding the fan together on the motherboard, and I removed the connector here that powers the fan with electricity. Be careful while removing that and try not to touch any other pieces on the motherboard. Now, as you see, there is a lot of dust accumulated. Now the only thing left to do is clean the dust and try doing it without damaging the parts there. I did it in traditional way. If you have a little bit of alcohol in there, ethanol or propanol, you can use those. It's better to absorb the dust, or you can use your vacuum cleaner and just clean it. After cleaning the fan, now you just put everything back together and turn your computer on again. Now that we have everything put together, we just turn on the PC, check if the fan is working normally, and then shut it down again and see if it worked. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and let me know in the comments below if it worked for you. Bye!